Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2015. So we are here with this problem 9 of your paper. This is a ODE problem. So let us firstly have a look. An integrating factor of the differential equation. So we have a differential equation like this. Now question is demanding us about the integrating factor. So firstly I will tell you what is integrating factor. Okay. So let us say we have a differential equation in this format. Okay. So we call this equation an exact differential equation when it happens that del n by del x is equal to del m by del y. If this thing is happening, then we can say that your differential equation, this differential equation is exact. So sometimes it happens that these two things are unequal. So when these two things are unequal, then we needed an integrating factor in order to make that differential equation exact. So suppose it happens that del n over del x is not equal to del m over del y. So what do we need there? We need an integrating factor by which we can multiply this equation so that this equation become exact. That means del n over del x is equal to del m over del y after the multiplication. Are you getting my point? So integrating factor is just a factor by multiplication of which we got this del n over del x minus del n over del x is equal to del m over del y. So we have four options. All right. So what I will do in this question, I will just pick one of them and then multiply it with the differential equation that is given to you. And after the multiplication, I will check whether they are equal or not. What? Del n over del x is equal to del m over del y. All right. So see what equation do we have? I will just multiply this on the right hand side, okay, and then write it properly. So you have this equation in your hand, minus 2xy square minus y dx plus x minus 2y cube dy. This is what you can write. All right. So you have this equation. So let us consider this as your m and this as your n. What you can check that del n over del x is not equal to del m over del y. Okay. This equation is not exact. You can check this right now yourself. All right. Since question is asking us about the integrating factor, that means that obviously means that it's not exact. That's why the question is asking. So you can check that they are not equal. All right. So that you can do yourself for your satisfaction. Now we have to multiply it with some member which is here. Okay, and then we will check whether the equation is exact after multiplication or not. So what I will do, I will just pick this option, random option. This is the way that I am going to do this question. I am just picking this 1 over y square and then just multiplying it. Then what you will get this minus 2x minus y dx plus x by y square minus 2y. Right. So just looking on these two, now this will be your m and this will be your n. So just calculate del n over del x. So del n over del x will be 1 over y square and del m over del y will be differentiation of minus 1 by y, that's 1 by y square. So finally what we got del n over del x is equal to del m over del. What I have done, I am just picking this B option for making this video short, but in your exam you have to check. Okay, this is your job, that just multiply this and then quickly just differentiate it. Okay, differentiation is not a very big time taking process. It's very easy. You can do everything in mind. So that's why I am doing this question in this way. All right. So that means by multiplication of 1 by y square, you are getting your work done. So this B option is correct. C, D